Barbadian-born trainer and champion conditioner Safi Joseph Jr. won the Richest race at GulfStream Park in Florida on Saturday when Skippy Longstocking created a 21-1 upset to capture the $3 million Pegasus World Cup Invitational Stakes over 9 furlongs. Skippy Longstocking, who was ridden by Tyler Gaffleon, rallied in deep stretch to thwart the bid by stable companion White Barrio to become the first back-to-back winner of the event.
White Barrio makes his move now, and he's up to confront Disco Time, who's toward the rail. They pass the quarter-mile mark, and on the outside, White Barrio has taken the lead. In between horses, Full Sereno tries to go with him. Disco Time puts up the white flag, and they're off the turn. They're in the stretch drive, and White Barrio has the lead with 1/8 of a mile to get. Skippy's coming now! Here comes Skippy Longstocking running at his stablemate. Skippy Longstocking rolling down the center, and Skippy's got it won! It's an upset in Pegasus 10. It's Skippy Longstocking and local boy Tyler Gaffleon for the money. White Barrio completes the Safi Joseph Jr. exacta. Third is Full Sereno in 1:48.2.
Joseph became the first trainer to win the $3 million event twice, while it was the first Pegasus World Cup victory for Gaffleon.